Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to search for a flight in the Breeze Air application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then click on the three lines at the top of the page on the left, and then click on the book button. So first you have to set if it's a one-way trip or a round trip. If it's a one-way trip, you have to set the departure airport. You can do that by scrolling through the options, and then you have to select your destination as well. Next, you have to set the guests, so the number of adults, children or infants traveling with you, and then just click on the confirm button, and then you have to set the departure date as well. As you can see, once you opened the calendar, you will be able to see some prices and price options for different dates. So once you set it, just click on the search button, and here's one flying option for that day, and then you will be able to see the trip details. And yeah, so that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.